Hello everyone, I just received this package today. It's a Noco GB150. Customer said this device it charge fine. It's go to 100% charge with no problem, but he has a problem to turn it on. And when the device turn on, he has a problem to turn it off. This is the device inside. And the first thing that we see, you can see the Noco, they changed that low ohm resistors that usually they go bad quick. So they put this fuse. So let's test this fuse. This is a good upgrade. They don't put that low ohm resistor, they put this big fuse here. And so the fuse is good. Let's see if there is a short in the power button. There is no short. Yeah, there is no short in the power button. But look like the power button is responding to the click. Look. Let me try again. It's go green, red, then it's go off. No other buttons works as well. You see it now? It's go on. Oh, this is a problem in these buttons. Here I'm clicking, nothing. So this button too is hard to click. So let's check something. We're gonna do a jumper. So the device turns on, device turns off. Turns on. So about we know now there is a problem with this button. Same thing this one here. You see? This button here is not clicking as here. Now the light is off. I can't turn it on. I have to click too many times. So let's start fixing it. We're gonna replace these two buttons and we see if that's gonna fix. I do have these two buttons, it's similar to these ones, so let's replace these buttons and see if that's gonna fix the problem.
we change this button here.
Right, so we clean the unit with alcohol if there is any maybe a corrosion or some bridge is causing the power button to stop working. Yeah, the button work. So this is all for this video, and we'll see you next one. So I just have to put this device together and ship it back to the customer. I put the device together and still gonna need to test the charging again. It's still charging. That wasn't the problem. As the customer said, it was a full charge, and yeah, it works. So let me test the power button again. Off, on, flashlight work, and boost the battery. I start boosting. We turn off the device. So this unit is ready to go. This is all for this video, and if you want to send your device to fix, you have the address in the YouTube. Just click about, and you're going to see the address and the information to ship it to us. Then I'm gonna check it, then we go from there.